Hi, I'm going to make the mango shrimp today, and I have about 8 ounces of shrimp, and I have one mango, and half teaspoon garlic, and half teaspoon of ginger, and a little bit of cilantro. And for the sauce, I use 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of just plain water. So I'm going to be marinate the shrimp a little bit. So I'll put a pinch of salt and pinch of white pepper and put some cornstarch in it. For the sauce, I'm going to put 1/2 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And I put 2 tablespoons of water in it. And you just mix. Okay, it looks good. And I turn on the high heat wok. Put a little bit oil in it. I'm gonna put the shrimp in it. Okay, I'm going to remove it. You don't need to cook 100% all done. I just need to cook about 80% because I'm going to recook that again. And I using 2 ounces of onion too. So I'm going to stir fry an onion first. Then the ginger. Then I'm going to put the garlic in it. I'm going to put all the shrimp back into it. And I put all the sauce in it. Okay, this is about done. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Then I put all the mango and the cilantro in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay, that's what I make today, the mango shrimp.